Welcome to the Fallout world. This isn't the future we know. This world took a different path. Technology advanced differently. Robots became common. Nuclear power fueled everything. People had hope for a bright future. Then it all went wrong. The Fallout world is a cautionary tale. It shows what happens when greed and violence win. The bombs fell, the world burned. Those who survived faced a new reality. But life finds a way. From the ashes, survivors rebuilt. They formed communities. They fought for resources. They tried to make sense of a broken world. This is the story of the Fallout world. This is a world of danger and hope. It is a world of tough choices and moral dilemmas. Most of all, it is a world where every choice matters. October 23rd, 2077. This is the day the world changed forever. The Great War, a nuclear exchange between superpowers. It lasted less than 2 hours. But it ended civilization as we knew it. Tensions had been building for years. Resource scarcity, political unrest, fear of new technologies. Then came the bombs, the blasts incinerated cities. Radiation poisoned the land. The lucky ones died quickly. Others were left to face the horrors of a nuclear wasteland. The Great War is a reminder. It shows the destructive power of our worst instincts. It is a dark chapter in the Fallout world, but it is also a starting point. From the ashes of destruction, a new story began. Before the bombs fell, there was hope. A project to save humanity. These were the vaults, underground bunkers built by the Vault-Tec Corporation. They promised safety from the coming apocalypse. Thousands entered the vaults. They believed they were escaping the end. They were wrong. The vaults were not what they seemed. They were social experiments. Each vault had a different, often sinister purpose. Some vaults tested social theories, others experimented on their inhabitants. Few were designed for long-term survival. The vaults became microcosms of the old world. They reflected humanity's flaws even in isolation. When the vault dwellers eventually emerged, they faced a changed world. The vaults had shaped them in unexpected ways. They carried the legacy of the old world into the new. Section 4. Picking up the pieces. Factions of the Wasteland. The Fallout world is a dangerous place. It's filled with mutated creatures, raiders, and other survivors. To survive, people formed groups. These factions fight for control, resources, and their vision of the future. The Brotherhood of Steel, once protectors of technology, now struggle to maintain their ideals. The new California Republic strives to rebuild civilization, but faces opposition from within and without. Caesar's Legion, a brutal slaver society, seeks to conquer through might. These factions are just a few of the groups vying for power. Each has its own goals, beliefs, and methods. Their interactions shape the wasteland and the lives of those who live there. Choosing a side is one of the most important decisions in the Fallout world. It determines who you fight for and what you believe in. It shapes your journey and the impact you have on the wasteland. Section 5. Icons of the Fallout, notable faces and their stories. The Fallout world is full of interesting characters. Some are heroes, some are villains. All have their own stories to tell. These characters add depth and intrigue to the world. The Lone Wanderer, emerging from Vault 101, sets out to find their missing father. The Courier, left for dead in the Mojave Wasteland, gets caught in a power struggle for the Hoover Dam. The sole survivor, awakened from cryogenic sleep, searches for their kidnapped son in the ruins of Boston. These are just a few of the many characters you might meet. Each encounter offers a glimpse into their lives and motivations. They show the resilience and desperation of people trying to survive in a broken world. These encounters are what make the Fallout world so compelling. They remind us that even in the darkest of times, there are still